Anybody that told you that this particular serum cleared their dark spots, that person did not tell you the whole truth. Today, we are going to be reviewing these two serums. I'm going to be giving you my honest review. I have been using this product for over 2 months now, and I have taken my time word by word to go through their ingredients, check what they are doing, and I am going to be giving you my honest review based on my own personal experience, based on the ingredients contained in these two products. This is Estelin rosehip niacinamide serum, and this is Dr. Rashel white skin whitening fade spots serum. So I have gone through every single ingredient, and I'm going to be talking to you about the important ones, what they do for your skin and which contains which. We are going to be talking about their prices. We are going to be talking about the texture. We're actually going to see what they look and feel like for those of us that have not used it before. And I'm going to be giving you my verdict, which one works for what and which one does what. One has the hype and one is doing the work. Okay, so we are going to be starting with the price. How much do these two go for? Now, I bought this one for 4,000 naira, and I also bought this one for 4,000 naira. How much do you buy it? Let us know in the comment section where you buy it and how much it is sold in your area. For me, I got both of them the same price. Not really the same place now, but the same price. Now, let's talk about the ingredients contained in these two things. Now, I'm going to be starting with this one because this particular Dr. Rashel white skin really amazed me when I was going through the ingredient, because ordinarily I thought it just contained abutin and niacinamide. Like, I've not really taken time to look at the ingredients, but when I did, I was really amazed, and I don't know why a lot of people are not talking about this particular face serum. So the ingredients, the first thing written is water, which is usually normal for a serum. It has water, it has glycerin as a second ingredient. Now, the first potency ingredient it contains is niacinamide. So niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3 that offers several skin benefits. It helps to repair your skin barrier. It helps to reduce inflammation on the skin, and it also helps to regulate oil production on your skin. So especially for people with oily skin, you are going to find niacinamide very helpful to your skin. So that is basically what niacinamide does for you. It has a little bit of brightening properties, but that is depending on how many percent of niacinamide is contained in that particular product. But this ones I mentioned now is the basic function of a niacinamide to your skin. Now, it contains a very important ingredient after niacinamide, and that is creatine. Now, this creatine is a naturally occurring compound in the body, and when applied topically, it can boost skin cell turnover, which can potentially reduce signs of aging, hyperpigmentation, hydrate your skin by increasing the water content in the cells, leading to more moisturized and youthful skin appearance. Like, this is a vital ingredient contained in this particular serum. Now, the following ingredient is aloe vera leaf juice. Now, we all know that aloe vera is very good, especially when it comes to your skin. Aloe vera helps to heal the skin. It's an antioxidant. It contains a lot of natural components that is going to help to reduce inflammation, that is going to help to treat your skin, reduce redness, inflammation, irritation on your skin. Basically, aloe vera is just there to heal your skin. So going forward, it has a lot of all these other ones. Then it contains butylene glycol. Now, butylene glycol is a form of humectant which helps to draw water from the atmosphere into your skin and keeps your skin moisturized. Then going forward, it contains other things, other types of humectants, other types of things to help to stabilize the product. And then it contains sodium hyaluronate, which is a form of hyaluronic acid. Now, hyaluronic acid has the ability to get into the deep layers of your skin to hydrate your skin and prevent dryness on your skin, and also prevent wrinkles or signs of wrinkles. So hyaluronic acid is key, especially in serums or in eye cream. So it contains that also. And then lastly, it contains abutin. Now, what does abutin do for your skin? Abutin inhibits melanin production. And when that is done, your hyperpigmentation is going to reduce, your dark spot is going to reduce. Abutin basically is just for skin brightening, and when used in larger quantities, it can be used for skin lightening. But in this particular form, because it is almost at the last, part of this ingredient list, that means it doesn't contain abutin in very high quantity, so it is not going to lighten your skin. It is only going to help to brighten your skin, brighten dark spots, hyperpigmentation, sunspots, and all of those things. And then lastly, it contains hydrogenated castor oil, which is a skin moisturizer basically, and it contains aroma, which is fragrance. So it has a little fragrance to it. Now this particular serum contains very sweet ingredients. Now let us look at this one. Okay, so this contains water, and then it contains an ingredient called caprylic triglyceride. Now this is a form of humectant that locks in moisture into your skin. Now I hope you are paying attention. This one contains the one that will draw in moisture into your skin, while this one contains the one that will lock in moisture into your skin. These are two different things. Okay, so going forward, it contains stabilizers, preservatives, and a lot of things. I didn't really find any significant thing, going down. And then the next thing it contains a plant which is called rosa rugosa flower water water flower water. This is just a plant, a flower, okay, that has antibacterial and antioxidant properties. It's which offers skin benefits like irritation, stopping irritation on your skin, helps to suit your skin, and it has a little bit of anti-aging benefit in it. Then it contains tin oxide. Okay, the tin oxide is what makes this particular serum cloudy. I'm going to show you the consistency, so it's not like anything that has benefit to your skin. And then lastly, it contains the sodium hyaluronate, which is the same hyaluronic acid we talked about in this particular one. But this has it as a last ingredient, which means that it has it in very minute quantity, but this has it a bit up. It's not like the last ingredient here. So I would believe that if they actually listed these ingredients based on the percentages used in making these serums, that means that this particular serum has more percentage of hyaluronic acid than this particular one. So these are the ingredients and everything. Now let's look at the texture. So we are going to start with this one. This is the packaging. When you buy it, it has this packaging like this. So for those of you that have not bought it before, you know what to expect when to buy it. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. But the packaging is okay, but I just have one issue with this packaging, and the issue I have is this stainless steel cover. If you notice, I usually use my teeth to open it, because when you want to like use your hand like this, it's hard. Usually I don't now like tight it, because if I tight it, it's difficult to open it. So I just close it halfway, so I don't get to like bite it and have all these things here. But yeah, so it has this transparent. Okay, it has this very clear. It's very clear and crystal. So this is what it looks like. So just in case you have not used it before, and for the penetration, it doesn't like absorb instantly into your skin. You need to apply it and then let it sit on your skin. Okay, so I'm going to leave this on my skin like this. Then let's try out the other one, which is this one. So we'll see the one that has more glow. So this one also comes in a pack like this. Okay, and it has this leaflets like this. So when you are buying, make sure it has this thing. So it comes with this leaflets like this, showcasing their other products. So yeah, and this is what it looks like. So it has this lilac or pink color, and yeah, it looks like a face cream. Like it It's not clear. And this is the effect of the tin oxide I told you about. Yeah, that tin oxide makes your products not to be transparent. So this is how it is. So I'm also going to rub this in and see. So you choose the effect you want. This gives a more glossy feel. In my own take, this gives a more glossy feel than this particular one. So if you can see, this particular hand has more shine than this one. So this one just penetrates into your skin and hydrates and moisturize your skin, but it doesn't give that glow. Okay, but this one actually has all the glow you would ever want from a face serum, and because it has a thicker consistency, okay, so it gives more glow, like as you can see. So this is the white skin, and this is Estelin. So Estelin has more glow to your face than this one. Yeah, so that is it. So this is what the pack looks like. Just in case, let me reduce this. So just in case you want to buy it, it has the expiry date. Please check that it has the expiry date. It has the barcode and all of those things. So this one also the same thing. It has the barcode, it has the expiry dates, and it's usually sealed with nylon. Okay, it's usually sealed, totally sealed, both of them, when you want to buy. So this is after a few minutes, and this is what my hand looks like. So you can see that this one still has a bit of glow to it than this one. This one now is totally dry, and this one too is dry, but this my hand here feels more moisturized. So when it comes to moisturizing, I would say this Estelin is more moisturizing than this one. So if you're someone that wears makeup, you would find this one better off under makeup than this one, because this one just feels like a face cream. Sometimes when I use Estelin, I don't use my face moisturizer because it's just 1% away from being a face cream because of the consistency of it, and it's moisturizing. Okay, it's moisturizing. This is also moisturizing, but not so moisturizing because it can dry out. Okay, you need to apply your facial moisturizer and all of that. Now, which one works better for dark spots and all of those things? The answer is clear based on even the ingredients list we talked about. This particular one works better for dark spots. So if you have dark spots, if you had acne breakouts and you have a lot of dark spot on your face, I would not suggest you get this one first, or probably you buy two of them. But if you're on a budget, I would say you buy this one first and tackle your dark spots. Okay, this one is going to target your dark spots more because it contains abutin, and it also contains that creatine that I talked about, which is very important because it helps to promote skin cell turnover. Okay, that is how your skin is going to regenerate and be able to shed off old skin, and new skin appears and your skin appears smoother and fresher. But when you are done with clearing your dark spots and you want to smoothen your face, okay, that is where Estelin comes in. Estelin is very good when it comes to smoothing of face, when it comes to plumping of face, when it comes to making your face look soft. It is Estelin. This gives a smoother, plump face, and this gives a spotless face, clear face. Okay, so that is why you can see I have both of them. I use one in the morning, I use one at night. Okay, so it is left to you. You can buy one depending on the stage you are in your skin. Okay, so you can choose to buy this one first and follow up with this one, or if your own is just your face is rough with very little dark spots, like you don't have severe dark spots, then you can get this one. But if your dark spot is very severe, like you just finished having acne breakouts, then I would suggest you get this one because it is going to work better and faster for your face. So that is it. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section. Which of these have you used and which one do you prefer, this or this? I have given my verdict when it comes to clearing dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It is this for me. when it comes to smoothing the face and plumping your face and making your face feel soft, it is this one. This one is going to make your face look like a baby's bum. Like your face is literally going to be so soft after using Estelin. Okay, but this one is going to clear your dark spot. I believe I've repeated it enough for you to actually make your decision. So that is it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and yeah, let's have a conversation.